Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through St. Ann on the north coast of Jamaica, and we are going to drive through the capital of St. Ann, which is St. Ann's Bay. Now St. Ann is the largest parish in Jamaica, and it's also one of the most popular because of not St. Ann's Bay but because of Ocherios. Ocherios is the largest town in St. Ann, and it's probably about a 5-minute drive from where we are now. Okay, but today we're going to look at St. Ann's Bay, and St. Ann's Bay is the capital of Jamaica. Now, back in the day when Jamaica was an English colony, you would find the capitals for these parishes being on the coast because everything was done via ship, so the port was the most popular place, the most important place. So the towns were actually built around these ports. So St. Ann's Bay was made the capital of St. Ann. Now St. Ann's Bay has all the infrastructure you would expect to find for a capital, like they have the driver's license or the examination depot, they have the courthouse, they have the tax office, they have the basically NHT office, all the government offices. They have the banks, they have all the infrastructure you need. Alright, so let's take a look at it now. I remember St. Ann's Bay was created hundreds of years ago. Okay, on the left where you see that white building, that is the St. Ann's Bay tax office. On the right is the transportation center. Basically, when we say transportation center, that's where you're going to find all the buses and taxis. But St. Ann's Bay is a major transportation hub for the north coast, so it's a very busy place. So we're on the outskirts of the town. We're going to drive through the town, but it has a lot of, because it's such a large town, it has like a one-way system. So this is one way to get into the town. And St. Anne's Bay also, okay, on the left is the Electoral Office. St. Anne's Bay also has a hospital, the St. Anne's Bay Hospital. And because the town is so old, you're going to find a lot of churches. Straight ahead is one of the churches, and you can tell it was built a very long time ago. Alright, so we're going on to Main Street now. We turn left, we go into the town, the heart of the town. If we turn right, we would drive towards the St. Ann's Bay Hospital. Okay, on the right now is the courthouse. So we're now on Main Street. And this is the St. Ann Parish Court. Now with straight ahead on the left you can see a clock. Now up here you have the Court store, you have Burger King, KFC, Juicy Patties, all the stuff you would see in a major town. And it all, St. Ann's Bay also has a lot of supermarkets. Of course the clock doesn't work anymore, but it's just symbolic of when Jamaica was a part of the, or was an English colony. On the right is another church, St. Ann's Bay Baptist Church. So on the left and the right you'll find a lot of supermarkets, food stores, haberdasheries. Okay, straight ahead now, that's the police station. On the right behind the gas station where you see that tall blue tower, that's the NCB branch. And it's actually one of the more modern branches in Jamaica for NCB. Okay, on the left now you find Scotiabank. Further down you find Jamaica National. More supermarkets. Now on the right you find the St Ann Bay Fire Station. Alright, very nice town. Very old town though. As we said, Courthouse is a much more modern town. It's newer. Has a lot more hotels. I don't think St. Ann Bay has any hotels. But Courthouse is full of hotels. Alright, so on the right now is St. Ann Bay, the actual bay. We are now on the Northern Coastal Highway. Okay, at this roundabout now, I will discuss it as we drive around. Okay, if we turn left here, we'd go into St. Ann. Alright, let's just do this. Okay, so if we turn left here now, we're going to the town of St. Ann. If we turn right, we go to the St. Ann's Bay Hospital. And this is the largest hospital in St. Ann. On the right is the Columbus Prep School. And then we just passed the Marcus Garvey Technical School. Okay, straight ahead is another church. And you notice how big these churches are? And actually they're very nice, the architecture. Okay, straight ahead now is the St. Ann's Bay Hospital. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.